Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And if you watched my live from this morning, I told you I was coming with a Dove deal for you. This is the first store that I did, but I have all the stores. I'm going to do the Dove deal at Rite Aid, CVS, Walmart, Target, and Dollar General. I don't have a Walgreens, or I would do it at Walgreens, and I kind of don't really want to travel to Family Dollar because that's a longer ways from my house. But I am going to do those stores. And if you guys did not see my live, what I am talking about is Fetch has all these Dove rebates. So I want to take advantage of them. They just popped up today. And they say that they expire on September 30th. I don't know if they'll be extended or not. We all know sometimes Fetch is to extend stuff and sometimes they don't. But guys, this Dove deal that I did right here is a money maker, money maker. So if I were you, I would head on over to Rite Aid while I'm driving, because I had a limited selection of what I could choose from as far as scents, because everyone is clearing the shelves because it's such a good deal. So if you have not downloaded Fetch, if you are not a member of Fetch, don't worry. I'm going to put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. And when you scan your first receipt, you're going to get 2,000 points. 2,000 points in Fetch dollars is $2. Then you're also going to get all the points for all the Dove stuff and any other products that you purchase. So we're going to jump right into this deal because there is a lot to this deal as far as rebates and coupons. I call this an all digital deal because there's no paper coupons needed at all, but you are going to use a few coupons that you're going to scan off of your phone. So what I want you to do is make sure that you are taking screenshots from this video so that you could do the deal exactly the way I did it and so that it is a money maker for you. If you don't use the Fetch rewards rebates, it should come out to be like 12 cents or something for you, depending on the prices at your store, because we all know that prices vary at each store. But we're going to jump right into this deal. So with Rite Aid, they have a deal going on where you spend $20 in Dove products, and this select Dove products, you get $10 back in bonus cash. Now, the other deal on top of that is the Dove products are buy one, get one half off. So that makes the deal even better. But they also have a deal where you spend $40 on all cosmetics, skincare, hair, and bath items, whether it's in store or online, and you get $10 bonus cash. You see what I'm saying, guys, about there's a whole lot to this deal. So that's why you have to take good notes and pay really close attention if you want to do this deal right and if you want it to be a moneymaker. So with this deal, the skincare deal, you don't need to scan any barcode. It's nothing that you need to do except put your phone number in and make sure that you're at $40. And that is $40 before any type of coupons. Now, I didn't have any Dove coupons at all, but if you have not signed up for the Dove newsletters or the Unilever newsletters, make sure you do that, because then you can get some Dove coupons. Go to dove.com or unilever.com and sign up for their newsletter, and immediately they will allow you to print off $1.50 coupons. You could do the prints twice. So you can use them on any of these products because it's $1.50 off of any Dove product. Again, I was already signed up, so I can't sign up again and use it. And I don't have any other emails, and I'm not going through all of that. So if you want to use paper coupons, you can go ahead and sign up and print those out. But I didn't use any paper coupons. Everything I did was digital. So let's head right into this. So again, spend $40 and get $10 back in bonus cash. And that is on skincare, cosmetics, bath items, and things of that sort. So I did that, and then the spend 20, get 10 back in bonus cash on Dove products. I did that twice. So my total was a little over $40 because I wanted to make sure that I got the $10 back for the skincare deal, and I wanted to do the Dove deal twice. So this is what I grabbed. I grabbed 2 of the Dove deep moistures. These right here, the Dove Body Loves. Or no, we could start with those. The Dove Body Loves. So they are buy one, get one half off. So I got one for $9.49, which is the regular price. And then one for $4.74. That's the half off price. Then I got the Dove Foaming Body Wash. Those are regularly $10.19. So I paid $10.19 for the first one. The second one I paid $5.09. You don't have to get the scents that I got, guys. You can get any scent that is available. Unfortunately, my store, I got the last 2 of the Dove Body Love and the last 2 of the Foaming Body Wash. And then I picked up 2 of the Dove body polishes. And yes, I got the last 2 body polishes. Those were only $7.49. So I paid $7.49 for the first one and $3.74 for the second one. So all of this came up to $40.74. So I hit my $40 threshold. So that qualifies me to get the $10 back in bonus cash for the skincare deal. But then I used, and here you could take a screenshot of this, and you can use this 2 times on one account. I got $5 off $25. Okay. Excuse me, you could use this one time on each account that I know of. So I got $5 off because I spent $40. You only have to spend $25. Then, so that's what took my total down to $35.74. But then I also gave her this to scan, which is $5 in bonus cash when you spend $25. You can use this 2 times for each account. All right, so let me show you my receipt. Well, before I show you my receipt, let me tell you about the fetch offers. And this is the I was going to do the Dove deal anyway because it still would have been free with all the bonus cash and the coupon, the $5 off coupon. But since Fetch brought these offers out today, that made it even better. That made it a money maker. So let me show you. So here, Fetch has an offer. When you buy 2 foaming body wash, you get 3,000 points. That's $3. And you can do that 5 times. Then when you buy 2 body polishes, you get 4,000 points. That's $4. You can do that 5 times. Then they also have the Dove Body Love Cleanser, and you can either get it in the bottle or the jar. And when you buy 2, you get 4,000 points, which is $4. Again, you could do that 5 times. Now, they also have this, the Dove Body Wash Twin Packs. Buy 2, get $5 off, but my Rite Aid doesn't sell the twin packs, or I would have took advantage of that too. So I was able to take advantage of these 3. So because of that, this made this an $11 and some money maker for me. Okay? Now, let me show you my receipt. So here's my receipt. There you see the 2 foaming body washes. There you see the 2 moisture boosts. And there you see the 2 body polishes. My total came to $35.74. You know we don't discuss tax because it's different in every city, state, borough, and township. Now, let me show you my bonus cash. Remember, my total was $35.74. I got back $35 in bonus cash. So basically, if I didn't have the fetch rewards things, I only would have paid 74 cents for all of this dove. I would have been happy with that. But because of fetch, it made it a moneymaker for me. So here, let me show you how I got my bonus cash. So here I got, it says wellness bonus rewards have been rewarded for the win back LB barcode, any items. So that's the bonus cash, $5 in bonus cash for spending 25. And then, come on, wellness rewards for the beauty event, that's $10. And then the dove and the dove, those are each 10. So 10, 20, 30, and 5. That adds up to the $35 in bonus cash that I got back. And then I submitted my receipt to Fetch. And with Fetch, and this is where the moneymaker comes in at, with Fetch, I got back a total of $11.40. Remember, you dropped the last digit. I got back $4 for buying 2 body polishes, $4 for buying the body cleansers, and $3 for buying the foaming body wash. And then you see I got a whole bunch of cents for the other things. So all of that adds up to $11.40. So when you do the math, you subtract the 74 cents I paid out of pocket and take that from the $11.40 I got from Fetch. That makes this a $10.66 moneymaker. So basically, Rite Aid and Fetch paid me $10.66 to take away all this dove for them. Thank you very much, Fetch. Thank you very much, Rite Aid. Guys, go ahead and get your free dove. And until the matter of fact, come back and let me know which ones you got. Let me know what scents you got. Guys, I smelled this crushed almond and mango butter, and oh my God, it is fire. So I'm definitely going to look for that scent again. That smells amazing. So let me know which ones you got. Let me know how much of a money maker you were able to get, because it can be a really nice money maker and bigger money maker depending on what things your store has in stock. But until the next time, keep on saving.